Welcome to my channel Unique Touch by Neetu. I am from Kerala, the land of coconuts. So here I am sharing a cake with tender coconut flavor, and it's decorated with free hand painting of coconut leaves and topped with a sail topper without using isomalt. So first we are preparing the syrup to soak the cake. For that, I have taken tender coconut water of 2 tender coconuts, 1/4 cup sugar and tender coconut pieces. Once you take out this, make sure that the outer covering is not been in this. And I have taken some small pieces to layer in between of tender coconuts. Now you have to make a paste of these 3: tender coconut water, sugar and tender coconut pieces. So here we have it, and I have taken out 2 tablespoons of the paste to mix it with the whipping cream. Mix it with whipping cream, and this is the syrup and this is the small pieces to layer in between. So now we will set the cake. For this, I have prepared a vanilla sponge cake. I'll give the link for the vanilla sponge cake in the description box. First, place some whipping cream on the cake board and cut the cake into layers. Keep the first layer on the cake board. Then soak it with the syrup which we have prepared. The syrup is a mix of tender coconut water, tender coconut pieces and sugar. So soak it with it. Then spread some pieces of tender coconut. Then layer it with whipping cream. With this whipping cream, I have added 2 tablespoons of the syrup which we used to soak the cake. Once the whipping cream is spreaded, you can keep the next layer. Then soak it with the same syrup and do with all the layers. And crumb coating has been finished. Then do the final coating. For that, I am keeping the whipping cream over the final coating. Then scrape out the extra with the scraper and give the shape. So our cake is ready. Now we are going to design it. For that, I have taken Chef Master's candy color green and I am using a toothpick. First, just give an outline with the toothpick. Here I am drawing the coconut leaves. If you are expert in painting, you can just directly do it with gel colors. Otherwise, give outline like this, then give the color with gel colors. So our outline is ready. Now it's time to give the color. So just dip the toothpick in the gel color or the candy color and give the color like this. Take time and do it. Slightly give touches. So I have completed one leaf. Like this, do it all around the sides of the cake. So I have done all the sides, and wherever there was gaps, I have filled it with small portions. Small size palm leaves. Now we are going to prepare the topper. It's a sail topper. So for that, we are only using sugar. We are not using any isomalt or any glucose syrup. So heat the pan and add half cup of sugar. Allow it to melt. Once it starts melting, you can add the color of your choice. Here I am adding green candy color. You can even use the gel color. Since I had only candy color, I am using it. You can use the gel color or the food color, liquid food color. So allow it to melt, and this is the consistency what you need. Transfer it to a silicone mat. So here I am transferring it to a silicone mat. Spread it towards the sides. Even you can use a wooden spatula. Make sure that the middle portion is thinner. Then we need to have a bowl shape. For that, you have to keep this on top of a bowl or on top of a bottle. Here I have taken a bottle. I'm just keeping it above the bottle. It will be like this. And then just give the shapes. Fix it with the clips so that you will get that shape. I have poured whatever was left over above this. Allow it to cool for 1 hour. Once it is cooled down, take out slowly. And slowly remove the silicone mat. Instead of silicone mat, you can even use the butter paper. So our sail topper, 1 ingredient sail topper is ready. Now I am going to give the outline. I am just highlighting the borders with golden dust color. I have mixed the golden dust color with oil and just giving the outline for the borders. So we have highlighted the borders with the golden dust color and our topper is ready. I had some leftover golden dust color, so I'm just giving the border for the cake with the golden shade. Just touch only. Don't press too much because the cake is already set. Allow this cake to rest in the fridge for at least 8 hours. Then it will be completely set. Now it's time to decorate. So just keep our sail topper on top of it. You can even use melted white chocolate to fix it. So here is our tender coconut cake with freehand painting of coconut lace and 1 ingredient sail topper. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do try at home. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and support.